Hi, I'm Dan Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today we're going to talk a bit about the Stihl lineup of chainsaws. And I think if you think of a chainsaw, Stihl is synonymous. It's become the gold standard. It's become almost what people think of when they think of a chainsaw. It's a Stihl. It's become like Kleenex or Xerox or Coke. It's synonymous with the product that they started making. While Stihl has really expanded their lineup to lots of other tools, they still are the gold standard for chainsaws. And so what you might want to know, though, is they kind of got chainsaws for every kind of use. And when you start out with, kind of light, occasional use saws, something that somebody that wants to just take down some limbs or some small trees around their house, a couple times a year. We've got, products that are, for that. We've also got, we're seeing a lot of those customers actually go to the Stihl battery-powered products. So they make a really nice lineup of battery chainsaws, especially when it's something that you don't want to have to maintain a separate engine for. If you're only using it for, a lot of people are using it for 20 or 30 minutes a couple of times a year. A battery saw is a nice option for kind of that light use like that. And then we can kind of get into what we'd call kind of firewood saws. Somebody that's going to be taking down some trees every now and again, wants to cut some of their own firewood, and is going to, not be out there on an every week basis, but wants something that's going to perform, and they've got those saws. And what you'll start to see is not necessarily, and I'll talk a little bit more about this, is that it's not all about power. And so what you'll see is you'll also start to get some more anti-vibe systems in there, some air filtration so that they can run for longer without having to have the air cleaner cleaned. And so it's not just, when you're looking at chainsaws, you don't want to just be looking at engine size and bar and chain size. There's a lot of other features that really make a saw easier to use, more productive. And also, as I'll show you in these two, is you can have saws that are very similar in kind of power, but very different in weight. So these two saws produce about the same amount of power. You can get the same kind of bars and chains on them both. But what you'll find, as I always say, is they'll both do the same job, but this one will make it a lot more enjoyable. It's a lighter weight, a lot more advanced anti-vibration systems, and designed for user comfort. And so when you look at their models 261, 362, those are models that are really designed for either professionals or for folks that are going to be cutting firewood on a fairly regular basis, or that are taking down some trees that they're going to be spending some time on, because you will absolutely know the difference. Even though both of these will do the same job, you will feel it in your arms, in your shoulders, and in everything that you do. At the end of the day, the difference between some of their saws. So that's some of the things you want to look at too, is that there is a lot of variabilities in what you're doing, because while a saw like this might look like the best saw for the job, this is not a saw that everybody should operate. And so Stihl does make everything from, something like this for professional loggers, all the way down to something for somebody that's just going to be using it occasionally for limbing, or even into the battery. And so while we could spend an hour talking about all the different Stihl models, I wanted to give you 3 or 4 minutes just about an overview of what you can do with a Stihl chainsaw and feel very comfortable with your purchase, and that you really bought the best when you buy a Stihl chainsaw. I appreciate you spending some time today learning about the Stihl chainsaws on Wednesdays with Weingartz.